So you have seen every single day millions of people are scrolling on their phones, watching videos, laughing at shorts, learning random things, while someone in the other world, someone is uploading AI generated content, clips, shorts, and then making money from it. Now we are living in a generation that smart work is slowly defeating the hard work. Earlier people need expensive camera, editing, kill cut, then adding edit effects into the, and then getting cuts from the short, getting the shots from a video. But what if I tell you you can generate the shots from the AI tools that I'm going to tell you in this video? So stay with me and I will surely make you at least $500K per month if you are consistency and if you are regular into the YouTube video. So the first AI tool that I am going to tell you about is this Way in Video. Actually, this is a very good tool, and what it could tool does is that you have to first log in and then you have to just paste the link. You have to just paste the YouTube, like first you have to go into the Way in Video and you just have to paste the link from the, like if you search a Mr. Beast on the YouTube channel, you get a ton of videos. You just have to copy the link from the video and find it. Like for example, I copied this link. You have to just come here. I've already copied, but if you have to click this AI clipping, you have to click on it and then just you have to select the language English. This is good. You have to select the language English, then less than 30 seconds is fine for it. So now just you have to click it and now you are getting some time, and after this time your clip will be generated. Now second AI I'm going to tell you about is this Slack AI. If you're having a paid plan, if you're having a money, then you can go into this Slack AI. This is a very good tool. It's just $8 per month. That is no big deal for you all. So just I'm telling you, if you're having a paid plan, you can go into the Slack AI. Just go into the Slack AI, learn more, explain more, like learn more, like simple. It's a very easy interface, same as Way in Video. You have to just paste the link and then it will generate some random movement with caption and all. Also I'm going to tell you how you can generate this as a short and how you are going to generate this as caption generator and all. So see, it has made several clips. You can see how many clips it has made. So just I'm going to on this video. Let's see if it's working or not. It's
the underwater villa. I feel like I'm in a fishbowl. We are in a room at the
as you can see, it's working. And also if I just go into this
bottom of the ocean. Wow.
Look at those fish.
This was worth $10,000.
You don't have to cut the video. The clip has generated already. You don't have to cut the video. Now after this, just download it and you have to just into the 720 spool. But I will tell you how to get it more thing. Let's get into it. Okay, I have downloaded it. It's downloaded. Now just you have to come into the Canva. Just get into the Canva and it actually already is downloading. Let's see. Yeah, it's almost downloading. 32. Just you have to use the Canva. Okay, just you have to search the canva.com video editor. If you search this, you can get the video editor from it. It's exporting 86%. Meanwhile, in the Slack AI, you can just go, if you're having a paid plan, it has a lot of things, like you can see. It is a lot of things. So try this also for the paid plan. For the free, I'm going to explain you this. Just upload from the device. You have to go with this. See, it's actually uploading. It's uploaded. Now you just have to wait for several seconds till it get upload. For example, it's actually still uploading. Let's see. Okay, it's still uploading. So you can see as the bar, like if it gets full, then it's completely uploaded. After uploading, you can add the caption, or you can change a ratio, whatever you want. You just come here, caption generator. You just take caption, like I will take caption, and just you have to wait caption generator and it will start to generate the caption. With this, you can generate the caption of a video too. Just you have to make its ratio 9:16, and finally you can get a lot of
water villa. I feel like I'm in a fishbowl. We are in a room at the bottom of the ocean.
Wow. Look at those fish.
This was worth $10,000. The fish sell it. Which do you like better, the cave or this?
It's gonna be this. Look at that one.
Oh my God. Hello, sir.
So this is one of the Way in Video. This is one of the editor, and this is the second editor. Two editors. I told you, you just have to be consistency and sending videos regularly, and you will develop like this. And if you want to know more and more AI, you can go into my several videos. You can see I've explained a lot of AI. Whatever AI, like any AI can help you. Like you have to be prepared for your worst position. So you have to understand all the AI, like what they actually do. You have to just understand their basic, use these AI tools, and then your work will be easier, much easier. Time saving should be your best part. Time saving should be your best part. So go with it, find more AI, learn more, and stay with me. Thank you.